And the South Korean stock market hit a new high on this Monday, boosted by widespread optimism over future business endeavors amid various pledges of economic partnerships during last week's APEC gathering. Our Soo-young reports.
Korea's benchmark KOSPI hit a historic milestone on Monday, surpassing the 4,200 mark for the first time during trading. The index opened 0.39% higher at 4,123.36 and surged to 4,221.87 at closing, 2.78% up from the previous day of trading. It comes just 5 trading days after crossing 4,000. The rally was driven by individual investors snapping up over 650 billion won worth of shares, or around $455 million. Large-cap stocks accounted for the surge. Samsung Electronics gained 3.35%, hitting the symbolic 110,000 mark for the first time. But what stole the show was SK Hynix. The semiconductor company jumped 10.95% to top the 600,000 won level, backed by stronger profit forecasts from analysts. Market sentiment is improving after several major developments during the APEC forum hosted in Gyeongju City last week. The Korea-US summit on the sidelines concluded follow-up tariff talks before the US and China agreed to avoid further escalation in their trade dispute, helping stabilize business prospects. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's first visit to Korea in 15 years also added momentum. He pledged to supply 260,000 GPUs to the Korean government and local firms, signaling stronger cooperation in chips and AI.
Across the world, for all companies and investors, there's only one key word needed to attract investment. That's AI. Whether it's Korea, the US, or Japan, you can't talk about money now without mentioning AI. If you trace back all this talk about AI-related facility investment, infrastructure investment, capital expenditure, it's clear semiconductor-related firms have much to gain.
Korea's blue-chip KOSDAQ also gained 1.57% to 914.55, recovering to the 900 level. Experts say with key corporate earnings from shipbuilding, defense, and nuclear energy sectors due this week, the KOSPI's upward trend is likely to continue.
Amid global power competition and supply chain realignment, the world truly needs Korea, and that's being proven through actual money market movements. The KOSPI growth rate this year alone is about 60%. If the index itself rose 60 points, it means many individual stocks have doubled or tripled.
Still, there's a possibility of overheating after the rally, and US monetary policy and liquidity shifts remain the key external risks in the near-term future. Soo-young, Arirang News.